Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about dams in Jamaica. Now every day you hear the Water Commission is spending millions here to do this re-water, billions there to build some plants, but at the end of the day what Jamaica needs is more dams. Now the Hermitage Dam is the largest dam in Jamaica and it can hold over a billion, let me tell you, 1.78 billion gallons of water. That dam was built in 1927. This is the largest dam in Jamaica. Then you have the Mona Reservoir, which was built in 1949, and that can hold 825 million gallons of water. Now, those two dams serve the Kingston metropolitan area. 1927 and 1949. Now look at how Kingston and St. Andrews, even St. Catherine's population has grown from between 1927 and 1949 and 1949 and 2025. Yet we don't have a new dam. This area we just spoke about has a third of Jamaica's population, and it's being served by these old dams. Now, to build a new dam, it's estimated would cost between 8 billion and 32 billion dollars, depending on the size, etc. But I think it's needed. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, Jamaica is expanding. I mean, the water situation is so bad that a major tourist town in Jamaica, Negril, has water problems. A major tourist town. So they cannot get water to a tourist town, much less the capital city. Now, this problem did not occur overnight. It's Jamaica has been experiencing these water shortages for quite some time, especially during the dry season when the dams run low. So Jamaica also has three other dams. In all, they have five dams. So the Hermitage Dam, okay, we're just going to go through each one, giving you a little history. The Hermitage Dam, located in the hills of St. Andrew near Kingston, is one of Jamaica's oldest and the most significant dams. Constructed in 1927, the dam was built to address Kingston's growing demand for water in the early 20th century. It has a storage capacity of approximately 1.87 billion gallons, capturing water from the Wagwater River. The dam is a primary source of water for the Kingston metropolitan area and is managed by the National Water Commission. Despite its critical role, the dam faces challenges related to aging infrastructure and sedimentation, which reduce its effective capacity. Number 2. The Mona Reservoir. The Mona Reservoir, located near the University of the West Indies Mona campus, was constructed in 1949. It was built to complement the Hermitage Dam by providing additional water storage for Kingston and surrounding areas. The reservoir can hold approximately 825 million gallons of water. During dry seasons, the Mona Reservoir, along with the Hermitage Dam, plays a critical role in maintaining water supply stability. However, like the Hermitage Dam, it is affected by drought conditions and sediment buildup. Number 3. The Rio Cobra Dam. And this is the Rio Cobra we're driving beside now. This is Bog Walk that we're driving through, or we drove through, and to the left of us was the Rio Cobra River. The Rio Cobra Dam is situated on the Rio Cobra River in St. Catherine. It was constructed in 1872 primarily to support irrigation in the agricultural plains of the parish. The dam underpins the Rio Cobra irrigation scheme, which provides water to large swaths of farmland including sugarcane plantations. While exact storage capacity figures are less documented for this dam, its contribution to agriculture is significant, especially during the dry months when irrigation demand increases. Martha Brae Dam. During the 1970s, the Martha Brae Dam is located on built in the 1970s, the Martha Brae Dam is located on the Martha Brae River in Trelawney. It was developed to support agricultural irrigation needs in the region, contributing to the productivity of local farms. The dam aids in water management for crops such as sugarcane, bananas, and other produce. Its storage capacity, while not widely published, is tailored for regional agricultural demands rather than large-scale urban water supply. Number five, Great River Dam, Hanover. The Great River Dam, situated on the Great River between Hanover and St. James Parish, Hanover and St. James parishes, was completed in the 1980s. The dam provides water for both irrigation and domestic use, particularly benefiting communities in western Jamaica. Its strategic placement supports agriculture and supplies water to the Montego Bay and its environs. So those are the 5 dams in Jamaica. Jamaica's growing population, coupled with climate change, induced droughts, and increasingly unpredictable rainfall patterns, has sparked discussions on whether more dams are needed. The existing infrastructure, including the Hermitage Dam and the Mona Reservoir, often struggles to meet demand during prolonged dry periods. Additionally, sedimentation and maintenance issues have reduced their storage efficiency. However, building new dams also comes with environmental and financial considerations. Large dam projects can disrupt ecosystems, displace communities, and require substantial investment. So Jamaica's dams, from the historical Rio Cobra Dam of the 19th century to the more modern Great River Dam, play an indispensable role in managing the island's water resources. While these dams have served the nation well, population growth, urban development, and climate changes highlight the need for enhanced water management strategies. Whether through the construction of new dams or by optimizing existing resources, proactive steps are essential to ensure water security, support agricultural productivity, and protect communities from flooding. Balancing these needs with environmental sustainability will be key to Jamaica's continued growth and resilience. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Do you think Jamaica needs more dams? Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.